Hello, are you working here?
Hello?
I want to go to Catagrande. Catagrande.
Katacaran.
This way.
Oh,
What's the next train?
what's the problem? What's the problem?
I want to... Hello, are you working here?
Hello?
I want to go to Catagrande. Catagrande.
Katacaran.
This way.
Oh,
What's the next train?
what's the problem? What's the problem?
I want to get to Catagrande. What's the next train?
Katacaran.
That's right.
Oh, right. යකෝ මේ මාස සුද්දෙක් වුණාට මේ හොඳට සිංහල කතා කරනවා. Right. You want to go to Katacaran.
That's right. That's right.
Simple. What's the problem?
I'll go to Catagrande.
Inside the body problem? Yeah.
No problem.
No, simple.
Oh, yeah.
Katacaran.
Yeah, Katacaran,
Right,
that's right.
Family place there. Yeah. Good place there.
Yeah.
Hurry. This place.
You fool, this is not
You
the
fool?
place.
Fool නෙවෙයි ඇතුලේ කතා කරන්නේ.
No, this is not the place.
එළිය කතා කරන්නේ. ඇතුලේ කතා කරන්නේ.
No, this is not the place, you fool.
මොකද මේ excuse me, what's the problem please?
I want to go to Catagrande.
yes මේ මහත්තයාට යන්න ඕනලු බං කටුකොරුන්දට.
පිස්සු කතා කරනවාද? මේ මහත්තයා යන්න ඕන කතා කරන්නේ.
මේ මොන මගුලක් කතා කරනවද? excuse me.
I would like to go to Catagrande.
yes don't worry I will send you to කටුකොරුන්ද. yes I will send you. මේ බකලොත් කරන්න ඔහොම වැඩක් තමයි
Oh, right, මට තේරුණා. You know my dear Sudha. Okay? You take the taxi. Grigorius Mudalaris Carvalhal have. And jump. And public lavatory have.
මොකද බං මේ කියවන්නේ?
ඒ යන්න ඕන තැන කියලා දෙනවා. Okay? And there, Asilin Nandagi vegetable lal have. And jump in the wetting. Okay?
මේ මනුස්සට ඉව තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ බං.
Take the bus. Go to Katakurunda. ඒකයි මොකද? You go to Katakurunda. Okay? Right. Simple.
අන්තිමට යන්නේ අංගොඩ තමයි.